If you're looking for a broad-range product that can control a variety of pest infestations, check out Prelude Insecticide and Termiticide. Prelude is a potent, broad-spectrum product used to control termites, ants, cockroaches, ticks, and flies indoors and outdoors. This permethrin-based insecticide will interfere with the pest's central nervous systems, killing them shortly after contact with treated areas. To get this product and more with free shipping, check out the links in the video's description. Prelude Insecticide and Termiticide is a concentrate, so it must be mixed with water before application. For most residential applications, mix and apply this product using a handheld pump sprayer or a backpack sprayer. For larger areas, you can use a spray rig. If you're dealing with termites, you may need a pickaxe or shovel, a 5-gallon capacity bucket, and you may also need additional sub-slab injection equipment. Before application, calculate the size of your treatment area and use that to determine how much product you'll use. Measure the area's length and width and multiply them together. When conducting a trench treatment, measure the perimeter of the structure in linear feet. For barrier applications, mix 2.6 fluid ounces of Prelude with 1 gallon of water to achieve a 0.5% dilution. Apply Prelude as a low-pressure, coarse spray, and use a fan or cone spray pattern. Spray around common insect entry points like garage doors, window frames, eaves, and siding. You may also create a perimeter band around your home or structure by spraying up to 3 feet high against the foundation and up to 10 feet out into the soil. Use 2 to 10 gallons of solution per 1,000 square feet of treatment area. When treating pests outdoors and ornamental landscaping, mix 6.4 to 12.6 fluid ounces of product per 100 gallons of solution. When spraying ornamentals, be sure to wet the top sides and bottom sides of the plant leaves. When broadcasting this product over lawns, apply 0.64 to 1.28 fluid ounces per 1,000 square feet of treatment area. Indoor treatments for pests such as fleas, carpenter ants, bed bugs, pantry pests, and brown dog ticks vary, so be sure to read the product's label for specific instructions. Prelude can be used to control or prevent wood-infesting pests like termites and other insects indoors or outdoors. This product may be used on residential, institutional, commercial, industrial, or agricultural structures, and it can be applied on public properties, recreational areas, and athletic fields. As a termiticide, Prelude can be used in pre-construction and post-construction treatments. For specific information, check out the links in the description for a full copy of the product's label, available to read for free. Apply Prelude when pests are active or when you notice signs of their presence. It can also serve as a preventative perimeter treatment to keep pests out before they become active. Depending on the treatment and the local weather activity, residual control can last from weeks up to several years. Avoid application when rain is expected within 24 hours. Prelude Insecticide and Termiticide is safe and harmless when applied according to label instructions. Always wear the appropriate personal protective equipment or PPE when mixing or applying. Keep residents, children, other people, and pets out of the treated area until the spray has completely dried.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small, family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to help you treat your pest problem. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or stop by one of our stores and we can help you out.